The most common HMEs on the market are pleated filters HMEs made of corrugated paper with considerable variability in performance. These are also called hydrophobic filters because the surface of the filter repels water. This means that the tiny water droplets which form on the surface on the paper do not get absorbed into the paper filter material, but instead remain on the surface where they can be exposed to airflow. A small number of HMEs have foam instead of paper, but the amount of foam is so small that the efficiency of the moisture return is very low. In all HMEs currently on the market, air flows in a linear pattern, which makes humidity exchange and air warming relatively inefficient. Subsequently, a fairly large amount of HME pleated paper material or foam is needed, forcing manufacturers to make the HME device bigger in size, more bulky, and hence unattractive to the patient. Despite their larger size, these bulky HMEs are still plagued with lack of efficiency. The Shikani HME has a unique design that allows air to flow through in a turbulent pattern, which greatly increases the efficiency. The HME has an outer shell with a dome at the top that provides additional dead space above the media, so that to further enhance condensation. A dimple in the center of the dome allows air to recirculate with turbulent eddies currents, which are circular currents of air of many different length scale, similar to the airflow eddies currents that occur naturally in the lungs, and redirect air through large openings on the sides of the HME. The Shikani HME also has a highly efficient hygroscopic media made of porous reticulated ester-type polyurethane foam, which is impregnated with calcium chloride. This traps moisture and heat and then returns moist, warm air to the lungs. It also provides a very effective filter from unwanted particles. When airflow is redirected in such a turbulent pattern, air particles exhibit substantially higher transverse motion, increased friction, pressure drag, and increased energy and heat transfer as compared to linear airflow. This makes the Shikani HME very efficient in heat transfer and water retention as compared to the traditional linear HMEs that are on the market. This increased efficiency also allows the Shikani HME to be made much smaller in size, more discreet, and much lighter in weight, features which are highly appreciated by the tracheotomized patients.